Mason jars are flexible and affordable, making them the ideal starting point for a wide range of DIY projects. Turning them into vases for your home decor is a fun and easy concept. To make your own mason jar vase, begin by selecting a jar in the size and form that you desire. Mason jars are available at most craft stores and online. Next, arrange some flowers or foliage in your vase. Depending on your preferences, you can use either fresh or fake flowers. It's time to get creative with your decor now that you've got your jar and flowers. You may add twine or ribbon around the jar to give it a rustic touch, or you can paint it with chalk paint to give it a shabby chic appeal. To customize your vase, add a stylish tag or label. Mason jar vases are quite adaptable and may be utilized in a number of situations. They look great as wedding or other event centerpieces, or just as a beautiful element in your house. For a unified aesthetic, arrange multiple mason jar vases of varied sizes on a tray or table. Using mason jar vases in your home design is a simple and inexpensive way to give a touch of rustic charm. So gather your jars, be creative, and have some fun.